In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead magnet in Circle.so. Whether you're new to this platform or just need some guidance on how to effectively engage with your audience, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started by logging into your Circle.so account. This platform is an excellent way to create a community and share valuable resources with your audience. Once you're logged in, look toward the left sidebar and click on the Spaces tab. This will allow you to select the specific space where you'd like to offer your lead magnet. Spaces in Circle, so serve as different areas or categories for discussion and content sharing, allowing you to target the right audience with your offerings. Now that you've chosen a space, head over to the top right corner and click Create Post. This is where the magic begins. You'll start by adding a post title. Make sure it's both engaging and informatively descriptive. A concise title along with a brief description will entice your audience to engage with your content. After setting up the title, it's time to add your lead magnet file. Simply click on the plus icon, then select Upload File. From here, choose the PDF, ebook, or any resource file that you're offering as a lead magnet. This downloadable will be the core attraction, providing value to your audience in exchange for their engagement. If you want to go a step further, consider adding a call to action or sign-up form. This is a great optional feature if you're looking to gather more information from your audience, like their names and email addresses. Just click on the plus again, select form, and customize the fields you need. Once all the required information is filled in, click Publish. As you finish designing your post, scroll down to find the post button and click to publish it. Your lead magnet is now live, ready for your audience to access and interact with. Lastly, let's talk about setting access control, which is another optional but useful feature. Access settings allow you to control who can see and download your lead magnet. To do this, navigate to Settings, then Access. Here, you can select options like Members Only or Free Plan, depending on how exclusive you want your content to be. Once you've chosen your preferred access level, don't forget to click Save Changes. And there you have it. You've just created a lead magnet in Circle.so. Remember, the key to a successful lead magnet is to offer something of genuine value to your audience,